Make the transition from OpenText ALM, formerly known as Micro Focus ALM, to OpenText ALM Octane to establish a hybrid application development environment and seamlessly manage backlogs across teams. Achieve all this with zero downtime, complete history, and unparalleled scalability. We will first start with the test assets, test cases, test suite, and test run migration. In OpenText ALM, the quality assurance engineer has made a folder with 3 test cases. The QA engineer has added details and the description for each. Under design steps, we can see a table along with an attachment under the attachment tab. OPSAP Migration Manager is working in the background, checking for the test cases to migrate from OpenText ALM to OpenText ALM Octane. In ALM Octane, we can see all the 3 test cases have automatically migrated. All the added details like the description, attachment, and the column with the test steps have successfully migrated from OpenText ALM. Back in OpenText ALM, we can see the QA engineer has created a test suite with 3 test sets and has linked them with the associated test cases. Navigating to OpenText ALM Octane, we can see the test sets have migrated, maintaining the link with the test cases. This link can also be seen under the Link Test Suite option. Let's go back to OpenText ALM to see the test runs which are being migrated in the background. In ALM Octane under runs, we can see the test runs have migrated successfully. Next, we will see the migration of requirements created by the product manager and the multiple defects created by the QA engineer or tester from OpenText ALM to ALM Octane. In OpenText ALM, we can see the product manager has created a requirements folder with 3 requirements. Under the defects tab, defects are created. Let's navigate to OpenText ALM Octane to see if the requirements from OpenText ALM have been migrated. Once we have refreshed the screen, we can see the requirements along with the details have been synchronized to OpenText ALM Octane. For better traceability, we have this functionality of remote ID and remote link being fetched from the target system to the source system. Similarly, the defects that were created in OpenText ALM have migrated to ALM Octane with all their details, leaving no information behind. The complete history of the defect is visible in OpenText ALM Octane. That completes the demo. Thank you for watching.